Welcome back to the channel. In the last GTR introduction video, I told you guys I was going to be building an insane Nissan Gtr in my home-built DIY backyard garage. This is going to be epic. Show season is nearly over this year. There's a couple of shows left. And it is time to build my 2023 show car monster. I wanted to do something so crazy that people would be so hyped on my channel again. So I picked an R35 Nissan Gtr for the channel. So I'm going to kindly ask each and every single one of you to help me get these video views up by smashing the like button for me. The more you engage and smash the like button for me is the more the vids pop off. So drop me a favour, smash the like button for me to show your support for the GTR R35 dream build. This is gonna be epic. On OWNA brand, which is my clothing, we've changed the deal so you get a free t-shirt with any hoodie that you buy online. So this is the Dead or Alive hoodie, which are back in stock. If you get a Dead or Alive hoodie or any other hoodie for that matter, make sure you add your free t-shirt to your basket and you'll get it for free. Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry for? Steve and Jordan own Offset Auto House, and Offset Auto House can supply you with all your air ride and your wheels and much more. You've got everything you need to get your car looking stanced. Look no further. Go on Instagram, go on Google, ring them up, message them. Any questions you've got, reach out to them and ask them. Offset Auto House. Get involved. Okay, we have GTR keys. For those of you who dream, like me, of owning a Nissan GTR, check it, the GTR key. I never thought I would hold and own another GTR key. How crazy is that? So, let's start with box. Box number uno. This is a pretty hefty size box. Insane. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna get the contents of the box out. Oh geez. Oh geez. Filter for the end of the compressor. Right angles, 90s, all that stuff. What I'm going to do different on the GTR to my Golf, do you know what I'm going to remind you? There is a video of me bagging my Mark 7R on the channel. And you can go and watch that video if you want to see that video. But what I didn't do last time was leave enough line in my boot. So in the end, they were all like a bit kinked into the manifold, so I had small leaks. So I had to replace a lot of the lines in the end. The compressor. V-Air silent compressor. Your virtual air source. That's my black Stealth. GTR Stealth compressor for my air ride build. How cool is that? Obviously we've got the power lines which run to it. So that right there is my compressor with its black cable braided hose. If you ask me, I would say that is quite the compressor if there ever was one. What are your thoughts on the build so far? What mod are we doing? Obviously this is the air ride mod. What mod are we doing next on the channel? I want to know below. This is definitely the good stuff. This is the management. The Holy Grail. How cool is that? Just back, I was making a fresh brew. Do you prefer Tetley or PG Tips? I think I like Tetley all day and then I like the odd PG Tips. Jeez. From the POV perspective. So it comes in this slide box like this. Watch out, look at that! Ah! Frenchie and 3P bagged. Designed for life on Earth. Is a life that has swallowed me up, and I'm fine with it. You ready for this? The beast. The beast. This is the best part of the whole entire kit. The screen. How sick is that? This is probably the second coolest part on this GTR Air Kit. 3/8 management. Jeez! Get rid of that. Anyway, airlift performance 3/8 management and controller. And then I think that's just cardboard. That's just to keep everything tight in there. Yep, don't need that. Can't remember what's in this one. And then there's all the electrics and the line cutter, which I'm not going to mess with right now. Jeez, that one could have been close. Slicing through my line. So we've got a loom, a big, thick wiring loom, which I'm not going to get out. And we've got 3/8 line, a lot of it, which I'm not going to get out in case it levels out the box. So there is all the fun bits, and I'm going to put all of these in that box. So all the hardware is together, including these. So if I lose these on the channel, you know where they are. They're in that box. So there's my management, my other bits and pieces. Stood up for ease. Stood up for ease. What's you doing, Dixie? You want to be on the chair on your own, don't you? Right, so here we are, we have a tank. I think I asked for a raw tank, so I want it to look proper industrial in this GTR. Like, once this GTR is fully murdered out, I want to open the boot and there to be a build, and I want the tank to be like industrial as. So I asked for a raw tank, and I got a raw tank. And she's a big one. She's a big old tank. I don't think there's anything else in the tank box other than the tank. Look at that. That's mental. Airlift performance there, engraved on the underneath. We've got one outlet there, got 4 on the rear. We've got 1, 2 on that. How bloody awesome is the raw tank? Before we go any further in today's video, I might whack an OWNA sticker on it. OWNA donuts. And we need it to be semi in the middle. I'm not mad on OCD with stuff like this. A lot of people are like, oh my god, it's not in the middle. And I'm like, I don't really care if it's not in the middle, but I just don't work like that. But for those of you with OWNA donuts on the tank. Oh, by the way, we've got Obsessed Girl hoodies online too. You get a free t-shirt of any OWNA hoodie, so get involved. Hot lady sucking a lollipop. We're going for the visualization. There you go. That's what it's going to be like in the back of the GTR. That's what it's going to be like. Nice. So we are about to do front struts. Unless they're at the bottom. And then if they're at the bottom, front GTR. Now. Oh, there's the 3 bolts that go at the top of the top mount. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. Can't believe it's happening. Whoa, these are crazy. These are the fronts. Jeez, look at that. That's mad. The bottom's mad. That's like different than my last one on the Golf. That looks like it sort of goes. Are they fronts or rears? They're fronts. This is really dodgy that I'm doing this on my own, by myself. Air ride specialist. Inbound, look how crazy that is. Braided hose goes to the additional dampener and you can change the rebound settings on that, which I'm not going to do until I'm with a professional. But check it. That's crazy. And I'm not going to adjust that at all. So that's the adjustable suspension there. And then that's obviously the bag at the top that you see there. So you have like an additional dampener, which I'm guessing has rebound like a mountain bike shock. You've obviously got the adjustable suspension component here, and then the clamp that it clamps to at the bottom, which I'm guessing joins some sort of arm, hub, something. Looks, I want to say it looks a bit easier than my Golf R did. I feel like the bottom was the old school style where it's got like a straight thing and it goes in the hub, which is never easy. So this does look like it could be a bit easier. Only time will tell, I guess. And then you've got this, which is the top mount. So obviously these come off, they go through the holes, and then you tighten up onto the top mount, which is going to be another interesting day in the office. These right now, I've got no pressure in them whatsoever. And then we've got this, I'm guessing this is for anti-roll bar or something. I don't know. And then you've got these for the brake lines. This is the opposite side bag. Obviously the bag, the top mount, again the additional dampening, and the bottoms, check it. Skyline GTR right strut. He's a beast, aren't you? Are we doing this again for the channel, are we? Are we doing this again? Yeah. Right, so I'm going to get the front struts out of here. I'm interested to see what these look like, because I wasn't really expecting them ones to look like that. Again, we've got the same lines. Oh wow. These can go low as, look at that. Jeez. So we've got the top mounts. These are the rears. We've got additional dampening there. And then obviously where it joins in at the bottom with a nylon nut there, which is definitely what you use. Pretty interesting. It's getting late. It is approximately midnight. 00:01 right now while I'm unboxing this. Right. 00:01. So on that note, I'm going to bed. Today is a new day 1 minute ago. The next video that you watch on this channel of the GTR is going to be me stripping this thing. I hope you're as excited as me. Don't forget, we've got crazy deals on OWNA all the time. The current deal is a free t-shirt with every single hoodie. Don't forget, dead or alive, you can see it on my back in the reflection a little bit. Obsessed girl hoodie, which is pretty sick. Anyway, loads of hoodies online to choose from. Make sure you add your free t-shirt with every single hoodie. And make sure you tune back in and make sure you smash the like button for me, because that's going to help today's video. I'm ready for this. I hope you are as ready as me. Let's get stuck in, and I'll see you in the next video for the GTR garage DIY project. It's going to be a big one. Stay tuned. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.